Why is gaming so hard to stop?
Great question. Gaming feels fun because game designers build reward loops that keep the brain wanting just one more. Your brain gets quick hits of dopamine, which makes it feel exciting and hard to pause. But when we understand the science behind the pull, we can learn how to stay in control instead of feeling controlled.
So, what does that actually mean?
In medical language, gaming activates the mesolimbic reward pathway, the same circuit that lights up for excitement, anticipation, and achievement. It triggers fast dopamine bursts that reinforce repetition. In kid language, it means your brain gets tiny fireworks every time you level up, win, or collect something. Those fireworks make your brain say, "Do it again," even when you plan to stop. You're not weak, your brain is just doing what it is designed to do.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, it really does. Gaming strengthens circuits in the prefrontal cortex, amygdala, and reward pathway. The more you play, the more your neural pathways expect fast rewards. In simple words, your brain builds roads that lead to quick fun, which can overpower the slow and steady roads used for homework, chores, or focus. But small choices can rewire these pathways and make the thinking part of your brain stronger.
How does this show up in real life?
It shows up in school when focusing becomes harder because your brain is used to fast rewards. It shows up in emotions when losing a game makes you frustrated or when stopping feels impossible. It shows up in friendships if gaming replaces real conversations. It shows up at home when parents ask you to stop and it feels like a battle. And it shows up in habits when your brain expects constant stimulation.
So, small equals big?
Yes, because tiny decisions stack up like Lego bricks. One extra hour becomes a routine, and routines become your identity. If you choose a tiny healthy step today, that also stacks up and builds a different identity. Even a single 2-minute pause before gaming can shift the whole pattern. The brain grows from what you repeat.
So, how do I start?
Here is a simple reset plan. One thought: I control the game doesn't control me. One feeling: notice the excitement you feel before gaming and take one slow breath to settle your brain. One behavior: set a timer for your play and stop when it rings, even if it's hard. These small steps retrain the brain.
What should we do today?
Today's challenge is simple. Before you play any game, pause for 30 seconds and ask, what is my plan? That small pause builds self-control circuits in the brain. If this episode helped you, comment the word RESET so we can cheer each other on. And if this series feels useful, subscribe to join the Growth Lab community. Your brain is powerful and it learns from every tiny choice you make. Even small moments of control build strong pathways for focus and confidence. You don't need to quit gaming, you just need to learn how to steer it instead of letting it steer you. Keep going, your brain is growing stronger every day.
See you in the next episode.